Good evening. So just as the turn the corner chatter was beginning to get louder, the West Indies found a way to bring their fans back down to earth in their three-match one-day international series against Pakistan in the Caribbean. The West Indies Cricket Board were just getting ready to say, "Take that, Viv," but the players couldn't hold up their end of the bargain, having been in what looked like a winning position at one stage while bowling first in the second ODI. All this, of course, against the background of winning the first match by 4 wickets, chasing down a target of over 300 runs, their highest successful ODI chase ever. Just prior to that, West Indies legend Sir Vivian Richards lashed the board, something that has become all too familiar in the last 20-plus years. But with an emphatic win followed by an emphatic loss, West Indies cricket seems to be right back where it was before the series started. I myself was not too excited after the Caribbean men took the first one-day international. After all, the West Indies are known for pulling off the occasional miracle. My bigger concern was to see how they would follow it up. One should remember that had it not been for the explosion of Trinidadian batsman Jason Mohammed in the middle of the innings, the West Indies would have probably been handily beaten in the first ODI anyway. That innings covered up some of the glaring weaknesses of the Caribbean side. Weaknesses that got exposed in the second match. The bowlers bowled well up front but couldn't close the deal at the death. And the inexperienced top-order batting once again proved to be woefully inadequate to handle a decent Pakistan bowling attack. With all that said, every single Caribbean fan will go into the third match with high expectations of more miracles. Except me, of course. I'm Jordan Fort. Good evening.